Understanding the phrase, can't compete with. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have heard but might not fully understand. Can't compete with. This expression is quite common in both spoken and written English, and knowing how to use it correctly can really polish your language skills. Let's get started. Can't compete with is a phrase used to express that someone or something is not able to match or surpass another in quality, skill, or another desirable attribute. It implies a comparison where one party is clearly outperformed by the other. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from personal abilities to the qualities of objects or even abstract concepts. To better understand how can't compete with is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal skills. I'm good at tennis, but I can't compete with professionals. This means the speaker acknowledges their skill but recognizes that professionals are on a different level. 2. Quality of objects. This homemade pie is delicious, but it can't compete with my grandmother's recipe. Here, the speaker is saying that, although the pie is good, it's not as good as their grandmother's. 3. Abstract concepts. Online chats are convenient, but they can't compete with the joy of meeting friends in person. This sentence expresses that online chats, despite their convenience, don't offer the same level of satisfaction as face-to-face interactions. When incorporating can't compete with into your sentences, it's important to follow this structure. Subject plus can't compete with plus object, person. Remember, the subject is often the entity that is lacking in some way compared to the object or person it's being compared with. Adjusting the context can change the meaning significantly, so practice with different scenarios to master the phrase. And that's a wrap on can't compete with. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this expression effectively in your conversations and writings. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries at every turn. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use can't compete with in your next English conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.